Hi everyone. In this video, we will going to see how to make Indus account, a console account. This is a console account of the app, just like in a Play Store only, but it is from the Phone Pay app. It has a inbuilt of Phone Pay, and you can able to publish your app and application from like how you will going to publish in the Play Store. The same thing. It has a own segments like OTP and everything will be there, so it is be sponsored by the phone pay because the Google has terminating so many play consoles and it has giving a problem to the every developer. So the Indians, what they did, they are try to build their own play console. So that's the thing. So the phone pay has introduced their own account, the play consoles for the developers. So as you can see, this is a completely UI of there. So you can find this account in the phone pay. In the phone pay there is application called Inside App Store. So it's like there has a multiple play stores, so it is a one of the play store only, so where you can able to publish your apps. So in this we will going to publish our we will going to make the account in the developer account. So here as you can see, these are the steps how to you can able to download. So this is a kind of a statements, but it's not required for us now. Right now we will going to make the developer account. So here you can see there is a developer. Just click on a developer. So it's showing that the Indus App Store publish your app today. Launched over 12 Indian languages, 24 by 7 dedicated Indian based, supported, zero commission in app purchases. Publish now. So the exclusive developer logging here. Why to publish your app in on Indus App Store for marketing for a publisher development local language discover. So Indian accent get the booster visibility of this. So this is like the same thing, and you can able to advertise here and everything you can able to do. So right now we will going to click and publish. Now we will get the sign up form. So if you are an organization, just click on organization. If you are individual, just click. So right now I will going to make the account for the individual. So right now here write the unique email ID. So I will write it my mail ID here, and it's asking first name and first name and last name. Country is India, and pin code 76. So I will try to blur these details. So just register here. It's asking one should be a upper character, so I will try to change my. I will blur this. So this is a simple thing. I will going to blur this information as it is a personal information. So register now. The link has been sent to your email to verify here. So we need to go in the Gmail, and we need to verify here. So I got a mail from Indus, so I will just going to click. Hi Afzal, this is just okay. Just click here and write it on your email ID, and wow, it's good. The account has been opened. This the couple of steps are there, so the account has been opened. So in the next video I will going to show how to list your application also in this here. How can you able to publish? So in the next video, please wait, I will going to show you how you can able to publish your account. So here as okay, there is a simple things are there here. So in the next video I will going to show how to you can able to publish your apps in the Indus App Store. So please keep watching with us and stay with us, so we're going to help you out. Thank you so much.